Welcome. In this video we are going to check the maximum camera zoom range on the photo and the video mode on the XIAOMI 12S Ultra. Okay, so take a look. I'm in the photo mode and I'm gonna zoom in right now. And as you can see here we have the button 120x zoom. So let me just click on it once, and that's the maximum zoom range on this photo mode. In the right upper corner we can also find this preview, and it allows us to navigate a little bit easier when the zoom is very high. Let's switch to the video mode and let's take a look how it works right here. And on the video mode we can zoom into the 15 times. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.